Fine, let us start solving problem number 24. Find the value of x for the following figure. So we are supposed to find this, and they have given so AB, which is parallel to C. To start working on it, let me draw a line here. Okay, let me draw a line. So and I'll make it this point as F. Right. According to the figure, right, angle that is BAE plus angle AEF is equal to 180 degree. Now they have given BAE, that is 120 degree, right, plus angle AEF is equal to 180 degree. So therefore angle AEF is equal to 180 minus 120, which is going to be 60 degree. This is half of this one, x, half or this value. This value is going to be 60 degree. Right. It's not half, right? Let us check out with this portion now. So angle DCE, that is DCE plus angle CEF is equal to 180 degree. Right. DCE they have given, that is 100 degree plus CEF, which is going to be 180. So therefore angle CEF, which is going to be 180 minus 100, which is going to be 80 degree. This is angle CEF. So now this is 80 degree. So therefore the x is equal to angle CEF plus angle AEF. Angle CEF is 80 plus angle AEF is 60. So therefore x is equal to 80 plus 60 is 140 degree. This is what the answer is.